Another Monday in the junk world. Stop by, got my Starbucks. They say they're as fattening as a fucking Big Mac. Vanilla latte with whole milk. Fucking lovely. Love them. So we're at a... Anyway, we're coming here. Oh my god. Got a repeat customer. I really got a bunch of shit. The guy just redid his house. Been working on this property for like 2 years maybe. It's hot as shit today, man. Fuck. Take my jacket off. About 80 degrees today out here in Oceanside, California. Sun's out, bluebird skies, and the waves are pumping still probably. That's okay, I don't surf anyway. So let's go see what he has. Look at this house, it's beautiful. Check it out. Holy shit. He remodeled the whole house. It's a beautiful truck. It's his new Bronco. It's his wife's minivan. He has this beautiful 250. Look at all this stuff. Holy shit. Look at this front door. Look at this front door he has. What the fuck's going on? Looks like he's camping out here. Look at this door. Are you kidding me? Look at this place.
Hey, what's up, man?
Dude, do you have a butler now? Look at your fucking house, dude.
Hey, what do you think?
Are you done?
It's getting close, man. It's getting real close. You should see some of this stuff.
Dude, the fucking door is amazing.
Check it out, man. It's coming along.
I was just blown away by the door.
Yeah.
Oh, the floors are all done?
Yeah.
Oh, you got the beams in?
Yeah.
Are those new?
Well, this one was always in. I just
Did
sanded
they
it
blow
and
out the
did it.
back?
Yeah, they blew out the back. We got our blinds in. We're still waiting for some screens. We're just kind of going through the last bit of it, getting rid of shit. I've gone through the house. Now I'm going through the garage.
You're fucking impressive, dude.
Thanks, man.
How long you been doing this for now?
God, it's like 2.5 years.
Yeah, because you did the pool.
Yep. So now I'm getting into the garage.
Even the driveway looks fucking awesome, dude.
Thanks. It's getting there. You've seen it since the beginning.
Well, you had that pod on there forever, right?
The what?
The pod or something.
Yeah,
here.
we had a pod here forever. You're right. Yeah, because we had to store all of our
garage goodies.
Yeah, well, no, it wasn't just that. It was like the stuff in the kitchen, and then it was all our flooring and a lot of that stuff.
So you had all this crap?
Yeah. So I've got some stuff you might want to, like, there's a copper tube in there, and
okay.
I don't know. I just
you got a guitar?
It's a guitar case. So
Damn.
we had it in storage and some mice ate it. So I bought another one online to replace it. There was that one, another one I just tossed in the trash.
Okay.
But,
so we'll get all this.
Yeah, the stuff on this.
I got a new truck. So new truck, look at that thing.
Nice.
Yeah,
Nice. Very
trying
nice.
to keep up with you, dude. Fucking new house, new cars. Fuck, bro. I'm trying.
Yeah.
It's got a walking cane in there.
Yeah, this is from like the Scouts. And
That's cool.
Like, I mean, you can use any of this stuff, but I gotta get the stuff out of here, man.
No,
What I'm doing is I'm looking at my garage. I'm trying to get my Bronco and my Vespa in there, and I've got my home gym in there. So I'm
you got
trying
a
to
shitload
use
of stuff out on your fucking...
Well, I took everything out of the garage.
What are you gonna do with all this shit?
I don't know.
Storage?
No, I don't want to get rid of my storage because that's like $500 a month, man.
Why don't you build some? Oh, you don't want to build anything here.
I want to move this.
It.
This is supposed to move over here or on the other side of it. That's a dog run, so I'm trying to get it parked right there. And if I could pull my truck up here and have the trailer behind it, then I still have space for two more cars.
You got the boats.
Yep.
And your cars.
Yeah, so we might be getting rid of the van and my Sequoia.
Take somebody's out.
Yeah.
Is there a lot left over here right now?
No, actually, I've had shit out here forever, and nobody's even messed with it.
Yeah, you
I got cameras up there to catch people if they do.
Yeah, that's still what our camera's gonna do. They're gonna wave to them, fucking take your shit and walk away.
At this point in time, I'm like
I'm
paying you to take stuff, you know? My next thing I'm gonna do after I move this trailer over here, I'm gonna set stuff over here to donate. I don't know what we'll call it, AmVets or Vietnam vets. Have them take that stuff.
Or DAV.
Or DAV.
DAV will come pick it up.
Yeah.
I mean, I'd be glad to pick it up, but DAV would pick it all up,
one
dude.
Of those. And then I'm gonna try to get donate that stuff anything that's not going to fit in the garage and allow me to park in there, it's got to go. That's been my rule for this whole.
Look at the boats are crazy, bro.
I love these things. We got to use them though. So anything that doesn't fit has got to go.
We'll take care of you. Oh, bro, a lot of shit to be picked up today. I thought we were gonna pick up all that crap out of the fucking of his area, but he's almost done with that house. The house is fucking amazing. 2.5 year construction project. He's just been working his ass off on that thing, dude. Had to fire the first contractors. And they came in and redid more stuff. That door is just crazy beautiful. Anyway, we're gonna move the truck over there. Go pick up this junk for us.